The mainstream media has a profound influence on public perception, and one of the most critical areas where this influence is exerted is in the realm of health, particularly concerning vaccines. The narrative presented by mainstream media on vaccines is often one-sided, touting them as universally safe and effective without acknowledging potential risks or complexities. This blanket endorsement can be misleading, as it oversimplifies the nuanced discussion that should surround medical interventions, including vaccination. Understanding that the mainstream media may not always provide a balanced view on vaccines is crucial for making informed health decisions. One of the key reasons it's essential to recognize the potential for mainstream media to distort or omit information about vaccines is the inherent conflict of interest. Pharmaceutical companies, which manufacture vaccines, are also significant advertisers in mainstream media outlets. This financial relationship can lead to bias in reporting, favoring stories that promote vaccination without critically examining the full scope of vaccine science, including risk side effects or the variable efficacy of certain vaccines. For instance, while vaccines are a cornerstone of public health, reducing the incidence of numerous infectious diseases, the media rarely delves into the differences in vaccine composition, the implications of vaccine schedules, or the concept of herd immunity in a nuanced manner. Moreover, the mainstream media often reports on vaccines through the lens of science vs. anti-science, framing any questioning of vaccine safety or efficacy as anti-vaccination. This binary approach stifles meaningful dialogue and ignores the legitimate concerns of parents and individuals who may have experienced adverse reactions or are seeking more information before making health decisions. It overlooks the fact that skepticism and inquiry are fundamental to the scientific method. By labeling all skepticism as anti-vax, the media fails to address the concerns of those who are pro-vaccine, but also pro-safety and pro-informed consent. The importance of a critical approach to vaccine information became particularly evident during the COVID-19 pandemic. While vaccines were developed at an unprecedented pace and proved crucial in combating the virus, the rush to market and the emergency use authorizations EUA under which many were released raised legitimate questions about long-term safety and efficacy. The mainstream media, however, often presented these vaccines as having undergone the same rigorous testing as traditional vaccines, downplaying the accelerated nature of their development and approval. This oversight may have contributed to public skepticism, as individuals sensed a disconnect between the information provided by health authorities and the media, and their own observations and experiences. Recognizing the potential for bias in mainstream media reporting on vaccines also underscores the importance of seeking information from diverse, credible sources. This includes peer-reviewed scientific literature, official reports from health organizations, and the testimonies of healthcare professionals and individuals who have experienced vaccine-related events. By engaging with a wide range of viewpoints and data, individuals can develop a more comprehensive understanding of vaccine risks and benefits, enabling them to make more informed decisions about their health. In conclusion, understanding that the mainstream media may not always provide an unbiased view of vaccines is essential for navigating the complex landscape of healthcare information. It encourages a more critical and nuanced approach to health decision-making, promoting a dialogue that values both the benefits of vaccination and the importance of safety, transparency, and informed consent. By acknowledging the potential for media bias and seeking out diverse sources of information, individuals can foster a healthier, more nuanced discussion about vaccines and public health, ultimately leading to better health outcomes and a more empowered public.